Happy holidays. I am Michael Schachter, President and a founding member of the Carolina Nature Coalition. For the last 10 years, CNC has done monthly presentations, programs, events, and hikes. For the new year 2024, we will continue the struggle to help preserve nature and the environment, to support environmental justice and the mitigation of the crisis in climate change. We'll do this with hope and joy. Happy New Year.
Hello, I'm Tom Shoup. I'm the secretary for the Carolina Nature Coalition, and I want to say a heartfelt thank you for all of you that have basically donated and supported us. And also, I want to wish you a very, very happy holidays.
Hi, I'm Ed Toth. I'm the treasurer of our organization, and wishing you all a very, very happy holidays, and let us hope for a peaceful new year.
Hi, I'm Melissa Schachter from the Carolina Nature Coalition, Mike Schachter's wife. Just wishing you a lovely and safe New Year and holiday season. Take care.